Hello children, welcome to my channel Excellent Educational Center by Priya Gulati. Students, today I will solve question number 2, exercise 4.4. In order to understand this question, first please go back to my lecture number 16 where I have explained about discriminant and nature of roots in detail. So today I will do question number 2. Let us come to the first part. Your question reads, find the values of k for each of the following quadratic equations so that they have two equal roots. So this is your first part, 2x square plus kx plus 3 equals to 0. It is given in the question that this equation is having equal roots. The two roots are equal, and for equal roots the value of discriminant is 0. What is discriminant? Represented by b square minus 4 into a into c equals to 0. So what you will do from this equation, in this quadratic equation, take out the values of a, b, c. What is a? Coefficient of x square, so a equals to 2. What is b? Coefficient of x, which is k, so b equals to k. What is c? The constant term without any variable in it, so c is 3. Now come to the discriminant, b square minus 4ac should be equals to 0. So substitute the value of abc in this discriminant. So pick up from here, b square means k square minus 4 into a into c means 4 into 2 into 3. So 4 into 2 into 3 equals to 0. K square minus minus multiply 24 equals to 0. So k square minus 24 equals to 0. So next step, I'm writing this next again. K square equals to 24. This is what you have obtained in the last step. So what will be k? Square root of 24. You have to take both the signs plus minus. So 24 ko you do the factorization, plus minus 24 factor 6 into 4. 4 can be taken out because 4 can be written as 2 into 2, taken out from the root sign. So it comes out as 2 and 6 will remain inside the root sign. So finally what is the value of k? Plus minus 2 root 6. So one answer is plus 2 root 6, second answer is minus 2 root 6. So combined we write it this way. This was your first part. Now second part of question number 2, exercise 4.4. The equation given to you is kx bracket x minus 2 plus 6 equals to 0. Again for equal roots discriminant equals to 0. What is discriminant? B square minus 4 into a into c equals to 0. Now this equation is not in the standard form. First I will convert it into standard form. For that I will open the bracket. So kx into x gives you kx square minus minus kx into 2 gives you 2k x, or ये plus 6 as it is equals to 0. Now you see this equation I have obtained in the standard form, ax square plus bx plus c. Compare it with the standard form. What is the value of a? Coefficient of x square, which is k. So a equals to k. What is the value of b? Coefficient of x, which is how much? Minus 2k. What is c? The constant term without any x. So c equals to 6. Remember children, in this equation x is the variable, k is not a variable, k is just a constant, right, which you have to find out. The quadratic equation in variable x degree 2, right. Now discriminant is b square minus 4ac. Discriminant ko I represent by capital D. So what is b square? Pick up from here, minus 2 whole square. Minus 4 into a into c means minus, this is minus sign formula ka. 4 into a into c means 4 into k into 6. So 4 into k into 6, it should be equal to 0. Now minus 2k whole square gives you, minus 2 into minus 2 gives you 4, k into k gives you k square. So 4k square, this you multiply, so this minus minus, this gives you 24k equals to 0. From these two terms I can take out 4k common, so take out 4k, k remains from here and 6 will remain from the second term equals to 0. Now what do you notice here? This is a product of two terms. One is 4k and second is k minus 6 equals to 0. Product of two terms is 0 if either of the two terms is 0. So I can write either 4k 0 or k minus 6 0. So from here what will the k? 0 minus 0 upon 4, which gives you 0. Second, k minus 6 equals to 0, so you obtain k equals to 6. So you are getting two answer. One is k equals to 0, second is k equals to 6. But what you notice that this answer is to be rejected. Why it is to be rejected? Because this is the equation of quadratic equation I have obtained. If I put k equals to 0 in this equation, what will happen? 0 into x square हो जाएगा ये. So in that case 0 into x square will become 0, means the x square term will vanish. So when the x square term vanishes, this equation will no longer be a quadratic equation. So in order to satisfy the condition that this equation has to be a quadratic equation, so I will reject this value of k 0, because if k is 0, x square term vanishes in equation number 1, which was your quadratic equation. So finally, which is your one acceptable answer? K equals to 6. I hope children you have understood this question. Bye bye.